welcome back to the music session of the Funnyland with the Orchid School. So once again I'm here with our music teacher Sir Danish. Sir, how are you?
Yes, I'm good. What about you?
I'm also fine, sir.
Okay, that's great. Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are very happy and safe at your places. Myself, Danish Arif, and I'm from the Orchid School. This is your music session, and in this session we are going to learn
New poems and new rhymes.
Okay, so are you ready for this session now?
Yes, sir. We all are ready.
Okay, I'm also ready. Okay, so students, आज हम 2 poems sing करेंगे.
Okay.
Okay, the first one is
Sing Peace Around the World.
yeah, sing peace around the world. The other one is the London Bridge is
Falling
down. Okay. The first one is light a candle for peace.
Light a candle for peace.
Yeah, everybody say with me. Come on, light a candle for peace.
Light a candle for peace.
Light a candle for love.
Light a candle for love.
Light a candle that shines
Light a candle that shines
all away around the world.
all the way around the world.
That's great. Now again from the
Okay.
beginning. Okay. Light a candle for peace.
Light a candle for peace.
Light a candle for love.
Light a candle for love.
Light a candle that shines
Light a candle that shines
all away
all the way around the world.
around the world. That's great. Now, how to sing?
Okay.
Light a candle for peace. Light a candle for love.
Light a candle for peace. Light a candle for love.
Wow, that's great. You sing very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Again, okay? Light a candle for peace. Light a candle for
Light a candle for peace. Light a candle for love.
light a candle that shines all the way around the world.
Light a candle that shines all the way around the world.
That's great. Again, okay?
Okay.
Light a candle for peace. Light a candle for love.
Light a candle for peace. Light a candle for love.
Light a candle that shines all the way around the world.
Light a candle that shines all the way around the world.
Sing peace around the world.
Sing peace around the world.
That's great. You sing very nice, but little bit loud.
Okay.
Okay? अगर आप लोगों को लिरिक्स याद हो चुके हैं तो आप लोग हमारे साथ इस सॉन्ग को सिंग कर सकते हैं.
Yes, sure.
Okay? Again.
Okay.
Sing peace around the world. Say.
Sing peace around the world.
That's great. Again. Sing peace around the world.
Sing peace around the world.
Sing peace around the world.
Sing
Peace around the world. Sing peace around the world.
Sing peace around the world.
Wow, that's great. Clap for yourself. Very nice. Okay, now we all will sing together from the beginning. So I hope you guys are ready for this song.
Yes, sir. We all are ready.
One, two, three.
Light a candle for peace. Light a candle for love.
Light a candle that shines all the way around the. Again.
Light a candle for peace. Light a candle for love.
Light a candle that shines all the way around the world. Sing peace around the world.
Sing peace around the world.
Come on. Sing peace around the world. Sing peace around the world. Wow, that's good. Clap for yourself. Wonderful. Arisha, you sing very nice.
Thank you, sir.
और उम्मीद है कि आप लोगों ने भी सॉन्ग को बहुत अच्छे से
Yeah.
सिंग किया होगा. Okay, so Arisha, the first song has done. So now
Okay.
let's move to other song.
Okay.
Okay. The other song
second
name
song.
is
London Bridge is falling down.
yeah, London Bridge is
Falling down.
Now sing with me. London Bridge is falling down.
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 Falling down, falling down.
Falling down, falling down.
London Bridge is falling down.
London Bridge is falling down.
My fair lady.
My fair lady.
That's great. Now how to sing it?
Okay.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down.
London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
That's great. Now sing together.
Okay.
Okay? London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. That's great. Now the other one is build it up with iron bars.
Build it up with iron bars.
That's great. Build it up with iron bars.
Build it up with iron bars.
Yes. Now how to sing it now?
Okay.
Build it up with iron bars, iron bars, iron bars.
Build it up with iron bars, iron bars, iron bars.
Build it up with iron bars, my fair lady.
Build it up with iron bars, my fair lady.
That's great. Let's move to other one.
Okay.
Iron bars will bend and break.
Iron bars will bend and break.
Yeah. Iron bars will bend and
Break.
break. Okay. Now how to sing it?
Okay.
Iron bars will bend and break, bend and break, bend and break.
Iron bar will bend and break, bend and break, bend and break.
Iron bars will bend and break, my fair lady.
Iron bars will bend and break, my fair lady.
Wow, that's great. It has done now.
Yeah.
Clap for yourself. Okay, now it's time to sing with
Rhythm.
rhythm. So guys, are you all ready for this now?
Yes, sir. We all are
If
ready.
you are ready, then clap your hands. Okay, now. One, two, three, four. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with iron bars,
Iron bars, iron bars.
build it up with iron bars, my fair lady. Iron bars will bend and break, bend and break, bend and break. Iron bars will bend and break, my fair lady. Wow, that's great. Clap for yourself. That's great. Okay, so Adisha, can you tell me how many songs we have done today?
Yes, sir. We sung 2 songs, and that's the one. The first one was "Sing Peace Around the World," and the second one was "London Bridge is Falling Down."
Falling down. That's great. So guys, आज हमने song sing किए हैं 2 songs. Okay,
Yes.
the first one is "Sing Peace,
Peace
Around the World." The second one is "London Bridge is Falling
Falling
Down."
Down.
So I hope कि आज के सेशन में आप लोगों ने बहुत enjoy किया होगा.
Yes, because these poems are very new for me and you guys also. And don't forget to give us your comments, and let's move on towards our next session.
Good morning again. Welcome to Fun and Learn with Orchid School. With whom? With Miss Savera. Before learning new things, I'm going to ask you, are you enjoying at home? Are you missing your teachers? Are you missing your school? Are you learning something at home? Do let me know what kind of skills you have learned at school, or what kind of skills you have learned at home as well. Okay? And are you washing your hands again and again? And are you wearing mask while going out? You have to wear the mask because, as you know, virus is always there. Isn't it so? You have to wear the mask. You have to stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at home. Now we will move on our new friend, and that is What is it? Look at me. Yes, all eyes on me. Are your ears open? Are your eyes open? Are your ears open? Good. What is this sound? A. Up. Up. Roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Roly poly, big, big, big. Roly poly, small, small, small. Roly poly, fast, fast, fast. Roly poly, slow, slow, slow. So, up. The boy is up on the slide. Up. You like to play on the slides? Do you have a slide at home? Okay, that means you are enjoying at home a lot. Okay, under. Under. The dog is under the slide. See? Under. The boy is up and the dog is under. Under. Under means नीचे. Okay? किसी चीज के नीचे. Okay? Under. Wow. Ugly. Oh. This man is ugly. Isn't it so? Okay. Umbrella. When do we use umbrella? Yes, when it's raining outside, we use umbrellas. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Unhappy. 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 The girl is unhappy. Are you unhappy? Yes, you must be. You're not going to school. You're missing your teachers. You're missing your homework, classwork, school activities. You are unhappy. But you need to be happy and sing a song with me. Come on, sing a song with me. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, say hurrah! Yay, hurrah! If you're happy and you know it, say hurrah! Hurrah! If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say hurrah! Hurrah! Okay, the girl is unhappy because she's not going to school. She's at home, she's getting bored. But we are happy because we are with Miss Savera. We are learning with the episodes of Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. Isn't it? Really? You are missing me now? Okay, let's move on. Where? Oh, I'm unhappy. You know why? Because today we are going to discuss December, last month of the year. 12th month of the year. Whose birthday comes in December? Yours, 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 yours. Okay. Are you going to invite me in your birthday? December birthday? Okay, I will come to your birthday if you will invite me. Great. Now, we will spell it and we will learn the spelling of December today. But before that, we are going to reinforce from January. Ready, steady and go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Let's spell it. D, E, C, E, M, B, E, R, Ber. December, and it's a 12th month of the year. Okay, or it's quite cold in December. December is a cold month. right? Now, we have learned today, and we have learned months of the year as well. But one more thing we are going to learn today. What? We are going to learn as CVC words. At words, and words, in words, ought words. Now today we are going to learn upwards. Look at my lips. O, p, op. Come on, make a sound of op. O was alone in the jungle. He was getting bored. He called his friend P. P came, and then they make the sound of op. Okay? They make the sound of op. Let's see and learn how they are. ठीक है? Come on. Kr, k, ir, op. K, ir, op. Crop. Look at my lips. K, ir, kr, op. Crop. Crops are जो हम fields में जाते हैं और वहाँ हम crops देखते हैं, फसलें जैसे उर्दू में we call it. तो these are crop. Crop. Okay? Now the next word is pop, pop, op, pop. Pop means pop out. You have eaten popcorns? That is also pop out, na? When it goes in the machine, it pop. Okay? Pop, pop. Op, top. Top means पर बिल्कुल ऊपर. T, op, top. Op, mop. Op, mop. Do you mop at home? पोछा लगाते हैं घर का? Mop. K, op, cop. K, op, cop. Cop is a policeman. Cop is a policeman. We call cop a policeman. Okay? ठीक है? Now, we have learned a lot of things today. Isn't it so? You are learning with me. You have learned CVC words as well. It will help you in your reading. Remember this. Alright? The blending of sounds and blending of words, blending of letters, it will help you in your reading. Okay? Remember, do remember it, okay? We have learned so many sounds, alright? Few sounds are left, only few sounds, 2 or 3 sounds maybe, they are left. And you have learned months of the year as well. Really now? Isn't it so? Good. I hope you are learning a lot. You have learned so many sounds. You have learned days of the week, months of the year, and even you have learned CVC words. CVC words are very important. They help you in your reading. Okay? How to blend the sounds, how to blend the letters, how to form a word. They are very helpful for you. Isn't it so? And you will learn more. When? In tomorrow's episode of Fun and Learn with the Orchid School with Miss Savera. See you tomorrow with your happy faces, with your open ears, with your open eyes, with your thinking mind. See you tomorrow. Bye. Allah Hafiz.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Do you like yesterday's session? Do you like yesterday's segment? What was in that? We'll all do that, but after the introduction. This is Miss Naveen and I am from the Orchid School, and here we are doing segment of Fun and Learn. And this is your math segment. In math, we learn numbers, fractions, shapes and many more things. Today our number is 16. Today our number is 16. Okay? And how do we write 16? A bar of 10 and 6 makes 16. A bar of 10 and 6 makes 16. Do you want to count these? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. A bar of 10 and 6 makes 16. And how we are going to write 16? For bar of 10 we will write 1, and for 6 beats we will write 6. So 1 and 6, 16. Okay. Let's move on to another thing. Today we are going to do number in words. You know numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They all have spellings. So today we are going to do them in words. Today we'll do only two numbers, 1 and 2. 1, 2. What is the spelling of 1? O-N-E 1. Repeat after me. O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. Now this is number 2. What is the spelling of number 2? T-W-O-2. T-W-O-2. Repeat after me. T-W-O-2. T-W-O-2. O-N-E 1. T-W-O-2. We learn spelling of number 1 and number 2. Okay, now let's move. Do you remember we did addition? What was the meaning of addition? To gather something, to get an answer when we'll make all together at one side. Now we are going to do subtraction. What we are going to do? We are going to do subtraction. What is the meaning of subtraction? Subtraction means take away. Subtraction means take away. Okay, so today we are going to do practice of subtraction, and this is the sign of subtraction. You can call it minus or take away. Okay, we use this dash for subtraction. Now here I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cupcakes. How many cupcakes do I have? I have 4 cupcakes. Now what if now there are 1, 2. So my answer is 2. See, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Okay, in the same way, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many donuts do I have? I have 5 donuts with me. What if I'll take 2 donuts out? 1 and 2. How many donuts are? Oh, sorry, 3. It's written 3. So I'm going to take 3 donuts out. So, how many donuts do I have? Count. 1, 2. So my answer will be 2. 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. Now I have lollipops. And how many lollipops do I have? 1, 2, 3. How many lollipops do I have? I have 3 lollipops. And how many lollipops I have to take out? 1, 2, 3. So number 3 minus 1. So I have to take 1 lollipop out. So let me turn this 1 lollipop. Now how many lollipops are left? 1, 2. So my answer is again 2. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. This is a sign of minus and this is a sign of is equal to. So here are my answers. I hope now you are able to do subtraction by your own. Okay. Now, do you remember we did fraction yesterday? I told you about whole orange, whole potato, whole tomato and a lemon. Now what we learned today, we are going to make it half. We are going to make it half. Okay, for half I have half orange. This is whole and this is half. This is whole potato. This is half potato. I have cutted them into half. This is whole tomato. This is half tomato. Whole, half. Whole, half. Now this is a lemon and this lemon is whole. I haven't cut it. And this lemon is half because I have cut them into two. So this is a half lemon, half tomato, half potato and half orange. So this is half. This is full. This is half. These all are half. These all are full. Whole. These are whole. Whole orange, whole potato, whole tomato and whole lemon. And this is half of them. Half orange, half potato, half tomato and half lemon. I hope you learn now. We have done two part of fraction, that is whole and half. We learn more about it. Okay, so how was today's segment? I hope you learned a lot from today. We learned number 16, a bar of 10 and 6 makes 16. What else we learned? Today we learned two number spelling, yani number 1 and number 2. What is the spelling of number 1? O-N-E-1. And what is the spelling of number 2? T-W-O, 2. Okay, and what else we learned? We learned a new thing, that was subtraction. We learned how to take things out. And you can do it practically. At night time, if you have 2 pillows at your bed, you can give one to your mama and keep one with you and you will get your answer. Okay, and we did fraction, whole, half, whole, half. Okay, so I hope you learn from today's segment. So be with us. Inshallah, we are going to meet you tomorrow. Till then, bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Take care.
Hello and good morning everyone. Welcome back to the art session of the Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. So once again, I would like to call a very talented arts teacher, Sir Mushtaq, with me.
Hello and welcome everyone. I hope you will be fine at your home. Hello Alicia, how are you beta?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I am very much fine.
Okay. So sir, what are we learning today?
Today I am going to teach you a very useful thing, and that is a pocket wallet.
Oh, sounds very fun. Let's do it.
By using papers and card sheet.
Okay. So what are the things we need to make it?
First, we need some colorful pages,
Okay.
colorful papers.
Okay.
We need a card sheet.
Yes.
We need a scale.
Okay.
We need a sharp cutter. We need scissors.
Scissors.
We need a
Glue.
glue, and we need a pencil.
Okay.
So should we start?
Yes, sir. Let's start.
Okay. For this kind of paper wallet, we need paper first. I'll take a red color paper.
Okay. Computer sheet.
It's your favorite color, no?
Yes, sir. How do you know
Good.
that?
I know, because I am the magician also.
Oh, yes.
Okay, now I'm going to fold it.
The computer sheet.
This computer sheet.
Okay.
Actually, I need a 9 centimeter width
Okay.
of this page. Then I need a 9 inches width.
Okay.
ठीक है? So इस 9 inches width के जो sample है इसमें इन करूँगा, insert करूँगा इस पेपर में और इस यहाँ fold कर दूँगा और 9 inches width की एक
ट्रेस कर देंगे आप.
trace करके अपना required वर्क है वो इस्तेमाल कर लूँगा और हासिल कर लूँगा. ठीक है? By using this sample.
Okay.
Now I am going to paste by Stico.
So sir, यार उसकी आप पॉकेट बना रहे हैं?
बिल्कुल पॉकेट बनाएंगे और ये एक पॉकेट नहीं, 2 पॉकेट बन जाएगी, ठीक है ये?
Okay.
Like this. Now I'm going to paste it over here. Now, once again, I'm going to fold it
it.
from the center,
Okay. Okay, so that's how we have 2 pockets.
2 pockets, by using 1 paper.
now. Yeah.
Now, I'm going to use
Glue.
glue. सेंटर में से पेस्ट करूँगा।
Okay.
ग्लू लगाने के बाद I need almost 8. So I need 16 pockets
Okay.
of 8 colors. I have already done my work.
Yes.
I have green,
Okay.
a sky blue,
There are a lot of colors.
yes, a pink, a light
Purple,
pink, light pink or light purple,
Blue,
blue,
light green,
light green,
And
and
yellow.
yellow and
red.
red color.
Okay.
So
The pockets are ready.
the pockets are ready,
Okay.
and the colors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You guys can pick out any color you want.
Yes, yes. Now, अब हम इसे पेस्ट करेंगे आपस में
Okay.
एक साथ, 1 by 1. 1. अच्छा, रेड के साथ हम क्या येलो
Yellow,
लगाएं या फिर येलो?
Yes.
आप मुझे कलर बता दीजिए, ठीक
Okay.
है?
Okay. So now we have to make the cover.
Yes,
Okay. The pockets are ready.
the pockets are absolutely ready.
Yes.
Now, for the cover of this,
We are using
Wallet.
cardboard.
we use cardboard. Then हम इसकी measurement करेंगे.
Okay.
The height of this wallet is 15 inches
Okay.
by 9 inches. 9 centimeter, 15 centimeter by 9 centimeter.
Okay.
अब हम क्या करेंगे सबसे पहले 9 centimeter पे अब by using 9.5 centimeter.
Okay. इस पॉकेट से थोड़ा बड़ा
इस
बनाना
पॉकेट
है।
से थोड़ा सा बड़ा हम
Okay.
बना देंगे। 9.5 centimeter पे हम इसे मार्क करेंगे। After marking, I am going to cut it
Okay.
by using
Sharp scissors.
sharp scissor. And the pockets are ready.
Oh, they look very nice. So sir, is there anything left?
Yes, I have to cut another part of this wallet. For the last part, I will use yellow color.
Okay.
Then I need a scale.
And the measurements are?
2 centimeter.
Okay.
The measurements are 2 centimeter by 17 centimeter.
Okay.
2 centimeter is ready. 17 centimeter or 15, बल्कि 13 centimeter.
Okay.
Okay. Now I am going to cut it by using this sharp
Scissors.
scissor,
Okay.
and then I am going to fold it like this.
Okay.
First part, then I have to paste it by using this
Glue.
glue over here.
Okay, to make it close.
Yes,
Okay.
I'm going to paste it over here,
Okay.
and our
Pocket wallet is ready.
पॉकेट इज रेडी. अब इसमें हम कुछ डेकोरेशन करेंगे.
Yes,
अब मैं
sir.
डेकोरेशन के लिए क्या करता हूँ, मैं स्लाइड में होता हूँ और
Okay.
अलीशा से कहता हूँ कि वो कुछ डेकोरेट करे इस पॉकेट वॉलेट को. अब देखते हैं कि अलीशा कैसे इसे डेकोरेट करती है.
It's totally up to you. You can design it anyways.
वेरी गुड. Very good.
So that's it.
Very good. So our pocket wallet is ready.
It's a very useful thing.
Yes,
Yeah.
it is. So guys, इसे आप घर पे ट्राई करें, and the session is
So I hope you guys enjoyed this
Done.
session. And we will see you in our next episode. Till then, bye bye.
bye bye.